Villas Limited, Bangalore, which is seriously prejudiced by the improved reputation certified by first respondent Tahsildar. It is for the said company to challenge this reputation and not the petitioners, whose title is wherein they have suffered an adverse finding while dismissing the suit filed by private respondents 2 to 6. Therefore, this court is not inclined to grant indulgence, not only on the ground that the petitioner has an efficacious remedy under 136(2), but on the ground that sale made by petitioner's husband is upheld by the court while dismissing private respondent suit filed in OS 19 of 2006. State petition appointment. Elli hogangiಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್. Next. Yes, Mr. Hanmantappa.
Petitioner, my lord. This is very quite interesting case, my lord. This is
Interesting, huh?
great, my lord.
Is it interesting or you have made it interesting?
Quite interesting, my lord. Great, my lord. My lord, the petitioners are absolute owners of the scheduled property. There is survey number 57/3, measuring 5 acres 33 gundas of land.
As the absolute owner based on what?
My lord, basing also the Annex N, my lord. Annex N, page number 103, my lord. 97, page number.
The page number, but based on what document?
Basing also the index of land by virtue of so inheritance, my lord. Inheritance. My lord, my grandfather, Dodda Malliyappa, who is also this property owner, after death of Dodda Malliyappa on 10th March 1950, this property shall fall into the father of the petitioner, Malliyappa. Malliyappa also died, my lord. Annexure P1, my lord. Page number, my lord. Annexure P1. My lord, the assistant commissioner has passed a order against 2 IM, that is, regarding 2 RA, second RA. First RA dismissed, my lord. Can you see, my lord? Annexure B, my lord. Annexure B, page number, my lord, 29. 29. Last RA, my lord. ಮೇಲ್ಮನವಿಯನ್ನು ತಿರಸ್ಕರಿಸಿದೆ. ತರೀಕೆರೆ ತಾಲೂಕು ಅಮೃತಾಪುರ ಹೋಬಳಿ ಶಿವಪುರ ಗ್ರಾಮದ 57/3ರಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಎಕರೆ 33 ಗುಂಟೆ ಜಮೀನು ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಆದೇಶದಂತೆ 6 ಮತ್ತು 7ನೇ ಎದುರುದಾರರಿಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹಕ್ಕು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಸಕ್ಷಮ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಮನವಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತೆ ಸೂಚಿಸಿ ಮೇಲ್ಮನವಿಯನ್ನು ವಜಾಗೊಳಿಸಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ 5 to 8 ಅಪೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ. Then if report RP and C, my lord, page number 30. Again, this order, my lord, RP pending 17 of 2024. This is pending, my lord. Then, my lord, due to pendency of this RP, my lord, if report is the second,
our revision hakidra.
Who some revision hakidare? That is annexure 30, page number 30, and it is C.
And action commission passes one more order.
One more order, my lord. And it W, my lord. And it's a W. Page number 156, my lord.
Directly in conflict with annexure B.
Please, my lord. Contrary to, my lord. Contrary to the first RA.
Ilva.
Page 29. Before coming to the operating portion of the order. ದಿನಾಂಕ 25/10/23 ವಿಚಾರಣಾ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಮನವಿದಾರರು ಸಿವಿಲ್ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ಆದೇಶದಂತೆ ಸೋಂಟೋ ಇದ್ದಾಗಲೇ MRS ನಂಬರ್ ಸೋಂಟೋ ಹಕ್ಕು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯಾಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಕರಣವನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಿ ಮುಂದುವರೆಸಲು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಪ್ರಕರಣವನ್ನು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಳಿಸುವಂತೆ ಕೋರಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. They themselves made the request to the AG to close the matter. They themselves have made the...
On what ground that suit is pending? Again, it's a suit ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ?
Pending minutes. Who's pending?
It's for difference of it, not for this. And next, somehow he has preferred again. Review petition before the I don't know why he has preferred, because he voluntarily withdraw the AC order.
ಅವರೇ ರಾಮಪ್ಪನೇ
ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅವರು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅವರು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್.
ನೋ ರಾಮಪ್ಪ.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಬಸವರಾಜ ಬಂಜಮ್ಮ. That is why the confusing my yesterday also confusing my on Friday. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಅವ್ರ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ರಾಮಪ್ಪ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್.
ರಾಮಪ್ಪನೇ ಎಸಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಏನಂತ?
ನಾನು ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಪರಿಹಾರ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನ
ಹೌದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು.
Afterwards, what a lot of litigations have been gone on. Even before vacation court also, this parties have moved the vacation court, and that honorable court has approached the parties to participate before the revenue authority. That is, even last December last week, they have suffered an order saying that you approach the revenue authority. And afterwards, my lord, this AC has passed the detailed order, wherein, my lord, this Ramappa claims the right based upon the sale deed, my lord, which is of 1950-51 sale deed. Basing upon the sale deed, one mutation entry came to be entered, my lord, which is at MR 26 of 99-2000. So that MR, without getting any cancellation order, somehow while computerizing the RTCs, that MR has left over, and the vendors of the Ramappa's names found entries in the RTC. Taking advantage of that RTC entries, again they moved the authorities to enter their name in the RTC.
Who has sold you sell money there?
Your predecessors have sold the property to the...
No, my lord. We not sold, my lord.
Ramappa's land.
No, my lord.
Delhi ಅದು.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅನೇಕ ಸಂಬಂಧಿತ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಾಕಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅನೇಕ melodies.
ಏನದು?
That is quite different melodies. There is no way concerned melodies. Next melod, the page number 45, typed copy 47. Melod, this property belongs to some other parties, melod. It is only a boundary regarding my boundaries taken the mutual advantage matter. Can you see melod page number the 49, Annex F melod is. Annex F. This is 16/8/1950 that sale deed ಬರೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಟವರು ಸಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ ಕರಿಯಪ್ಪ, ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ melod, in favor of ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಲ್ಲಿಯಪ್ಪ, and not executing sale deed in favor of any parties. I am intact. I am in owner of the property, melod. By virtue of this, my lord, the 16/8/1950 deed ಆದ್ರೆ, my lord, my grandfather died, my lord, on 10th March 2050, another P melod, page 100.
All that they themselves have withdrawn this, saying that they will approach civil court.
ಅಲ್ಲ, suit pending ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ. The respondent filed suit is pending. Annexure R melod. Annexure R. Suit is pending, RP is pending, but misguiding to the court may apply the melod. It's second R melod.
Suit ಏನಂತ ಹಾಕಿದಾರೆ ಅವರು?
For declaration, injunction. Annexure R melod is page number 103. Ramappa and others. Declaration. Suit is pending.
ಈಗ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Annexure W melod is. Annexure W, one page number 156 melod is. 156. 154 WP. Right passed on 9/1/2025.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್.
Suit pending melod. RP pending. Is passed the second order melod. Without any pause.
Stay.
Please, Mrs.
Restoring the original MR, that's for my lord.
ಸರಿ, ಅವರೇ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್. ಅದ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು?
Annex J melod is. Annex R melod is. Annex R. Page number melod 71 melod is. No, 71 ಅಲ್ಲ. Annex R melod is. Page number 103 melod is. 103. Filed by respondent 5 to 8 for declaration injunction. 103 melod. Page number R.
ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆಪ್ಟಿ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋ ಸಮಯ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್
That is on done it in the eye of law.
Your authorities lack competence. They lack competence, madam, and lawyers are not cooperating. This court is virtually converted into a acting commissioner and deputy commissioner court. They have reduced this court to a ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ.
Article wrongly approached.
ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಗ?
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ ಎಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಮೀ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ಡ್. ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ ಎಲ್
ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. That will be a good reason to set aside them. But by the constitutional petitioner, Leonard AG is directed to accept notice to respondents 1 to 4. The procedure adopted by the assistant commissioner prima facie appears to be fundamentally flawed on pursuit of Annexure B. Assistant commissioner having permitted the petitioners
not respondent,
having relegated
private respondent 5 to 8
respondents to approach civil court and having dismissed the appeal, has steadily passed, has
RP
steadily
pending.
entertained,
Against honorable members.
has steadily entertained one more appeal, which is evidenced at Annexure W, which is the impugned order. Strangely, the earlier order passed at Annexure B is also challenged by a private respondent by way of revision before second respondent deputy commissioner, which is also evidenced at Annexure C. Further, records also reveal that private respondents post order passed at Annexure B by assistant commissioner have approached civil court and have filed a comprehensive suit in OS number
226 of 2023. 226
226 of
2023.
2023. Having noted these significant details, this court is of the view that the impugned order passed by State Commissioner at Annexure W is prima facie one without jurisdiction, and the same is liable and therefore requires consideration at the hands of this court. Accordingly, the order passed by State Commissioner at Annexure W is stayed till next date of hearing. I issue emergency notice to respondents 4 to 8.
And no amendment. Please,
Just urgency.
because changing the increase model, they are going to sell the property. That's from order. Please.
It takes that reading. Still there. Not
Next.
basic property.
Yes, madam.
Petitioner. Your Lordship, in this matter, I have challenged the order passed by the Assistant Commissioner, wherein Your Lordship, Assistant Commissioner instituted proceeding under 79A and B of the Karnataka Land Reforms Act. Your Lordship, pursuant to the order, Your Lordship, because notice is not issued, I was not being heard. And now, Your Lordship.
Why again Assistant Commissioner order? You also challenging before this court directly?
Yes, because this is, my Lord, Assistant Commissioner now invoked proceeding under 79A and B. The said the order, Your Lordship, the notice is not been issued.
2018 order?
ಹೌದು 18 ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಶೋನ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಟಲ್. ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Petitioner is appealing the order.
Annexure H.
Order passed by third respondent Assistant Commissioner, who has invoked section 79A and B of Karnataka Land Reforms Act, and the sale deed obtained by petitioner is held to be null and void on the ground that he was not eligible to purchase agricultural land. Prima facie, this court is satisfied that impugned order is one which is in gross violation of principles of natural justice. Matter requires deeper examination. Accordingly stayed pending consideration of the caption petition. Then the SCGP is directed to accept notice to respondents.
Your Lordship, I sought for stay of the impugned order because now in view of the amendment, Your Lordship, this order will
Stay ಕೊಟ್ಟನಲ್ಲ.
please. Thank you.
Lendi order ಬರ್ದೆ ಅದು. I said stayed. It's next.
My Lordship, this is
George Girisha.
please, my Lordship. This is in
Girisha.
Please, my Lordship. This is in writ of mandamus, sir, for conducting the Podi and Birastu. This is land was
Based on what?
land was granted in the year of 1998 by the committee.
Committee.
Yes, please, my Lordship.
Cover sheet is issued.
Please, my Lordship. Cover sheet was issued. Mutations has also got transferred into the name of the petitioner, sir.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವತ್ತು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಷನ್ petition is filed to direct respondents 3 and 4 to conduct survey and durasti in respect of petition land. As the counsel of petitioner and learned AG appearing for the respondents, petitioner has acquired petition land pursuant to grant made by the competent authority. Petitioner to substantiate that there is grant certificate. The copy is produced which is evidence at Annexure C. Similarly, second petitioner has also produced the grant certificate, evidence at Annexure D. Learned AGA on instruction submits that the petitioners who are grantees, the learned AG on instruction submits that the petitioner's request to effect Podi and Durasti will be considered in accordance with law, provided some reasonable time is granted. Recording your assurance, this court passes the following order. Reputation is allowed Respondents are hereby directed. Respondents 3 and
3 and 4, my lordship.
are hereby directed to conduct Fodian Durasti by considering petitioner's representation dated 14/9/2021, 16/11/24 and 10/12/24. Next is exercise shall be accomplished with a period of 3 months from the date of AGA access notice of the person. Next. Objection.
Has been entered into my name.
No, you have to contest the interim order. You did not file objection. I'll give one short date if you want short date, but you will not file objection, but you will contest. You can contest. If you want to produce some documents, you can produce. Statement of objection later. You can oppose the interim order. You have tendered caveat. Your name is shown here or not?
It is shown.
Order, purport. At the request of caveat, counsel appearing for caveat respondents, 4 to 7. The matter is urgent in order to be relisted on.
Please.
Agoda.
Till then, let them not give effect to this order. It says some entry to be made, my lords. Let that not be given. Only, yes, some order is passed, my deputy commissioner.
See, it can't be both ways. We'll direct them not to do it.
That's all. Then I have the privilege of submitting first if this is the case, my lords.
ಈಗ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
To the ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್ for
ಹಾ, ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ.
I will not pursue it. Now, what has happened?
No, not pursue. You should go and intimate to the Tahsildar that we can't do it till next date hour. Only till next date, okay? Or else it has to be stayed. Only limited stay.
This is a mutation of 91.
No, I'm telling you, then you, right now you argue, will decide it.
Then next week.
Actually, you can't have both ways.
I don't want to.
SCGP to intimate telephonically. Work out. Since counsel appearing for caveat respondents 4 to 7 is seeking time, this court deems it fit to direct Leonard SCGP to intimate Tahsildar not to effect changes till next date of hearing.
30th ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್.
30th. Please, religious matters preliminary on 30th.
Please. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು annexure F to be stayed, my lords. Annexure F deputy
ಅಲ್ಲ,
commissioner.
ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಇಮಿಟೇಷನ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
ತಹಶೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರೋದು
ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಶಾಲ್ ಓರಲಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಟು ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಯಾರು ಪಾರ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ?
R3.
Respond number 3. Yes. Leonard SCGP access notice to 1 to 3.
Yes. Great.
Okay, sir. Yes, madam.
It's a writ of mandamus, Your Honor. We are seeking a direction to Assistant Commissioner to pass orders in RABE 357 of
How long
2008.
it's pending, madam?
Swami,
That only is disposed of, saying that expedition number some other.
ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಪಾಪ ರಿಚ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನೀವು ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಯ್ತು.
Swami,
ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ದಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
So actually this petition I have gone through, that expedition is not for only issuance of certified copy of the.
ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬರೀ ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿ ಅನೆಕ್ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಬರೀ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಈ
ಯಾವ?
ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಈ ಮೊದಲು 14/7ಗೂ ಹಾಕಿ 24 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದು.
ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಮೇಲ್ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಪಾಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದು sir.
RP ನಂಬರ್ 357. ಇದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ನಂಬರ್ 6A ಅಂತೇನೋ ಬರೀತಲ್ವಾ? Madam, you challenge this order.
No. I expect to submit that order itself is according to me because subject to outcome of the expedition ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That expedition is only for asking certified copy of the ACS order. A fresh direction may kindly be issued.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇನಿದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ ಈ ರೀತಾ?
ಹಳೇದ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಬರೀ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಕಾಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಂತರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು.
Somehow it is.
ಎಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೇನೀಗ ಇದು ಮತ್ತಿದು ಸಕ್ಸೆಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
Because
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು?
that whatever the expedition
Madam, you do one thing. File a amendment application supported by memorandum. If your client is local, then I'll set aside this order.
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಆಯ್ತು ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ತಗೊಂಡು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇದನ್ನೇ. ಟ್ರೂ ಕಾಪಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Leonard, AG is directed to accept notice to, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ R4. She is the one who has filed the appeal, Your Honor.
The direction may kindly be issued for such consideration by the APC.
ಅಲ್ಲ, but this order has to be set aside.
Based upon that repetition, what the claim placed on by the AC is wrong. That is my submission.
ಏ ಬರೀ ಇವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತೀರಿ, ಇವರು ಯಾವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇವರು? ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ 17446.
ನಾನೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅನೆಕ್ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ರಿಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಡಮ್?
Only for issuance of certified copy of the ACR. That is nothing to do with passing of this order.
Mandamus
Now,
ಅದು
ACR has wrongly passed that order.
All right, I'll do one thing. I'll reserve liberty to seek recall of this order because it is misconceived.
Or else the direction, fresh direction may be issued.
No, sir, you file a recalling application because it's not on merits.
Very.
Totally misconceived. Purport. I clarify one. You go and file an application. In the caption petition, petitioner is seeking a mandamus against second respondent to decide the appeal pending in RA 357 of 2018. Next, Leonard AGA, how about today, has placed on record an order passed by second respondent assistant commissioner on 6/12/2024. This appeal is disposed of subject to the outcome of the writ petition pending in WP 17446 of 2024. Next, on closer examination of the order passed by the coordinated bench in WP 17446 of 2024, this court is more than satisfied that that assistant commissioner has virtually misread the prayer sought in the writ petition filed in WP 17446 of 2024. In the said writ petition, petitioners herein have sought directions to secure certified copy. ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಕಾಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಎನಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ.
In the said writ petition, petitioner is seeking a mandamus against assistant commissioner to furnish the certified copies of the order dated 7/9/2022 and 8/9/2023. This writ petition is disposed of by order dated 9/7/2024. The appeal disposed of by the second respondent assistant commissioner is totally misconceived. The appeal is not decided on merits, but the appeal is given a closure on the premises that the issue raised in the appeal is seized in WP 17446 of 2024. Therefore, prima facie, the order may not be sustainable. Therefore, this court is of the view that appropriate directions need to be issued and liberty also needs to be reserved to petitioner to seek the revival of the order, to seek recalling of the order and seek restoration of the appeal so that second respondent decides the appeal on merits. With these observations, this court passes the following order. The petition stands disposed of, reserving liberty to petitioner to file a recalling application and seek restoration of appeal filed in 357 of 2018, which is disposed of on the premises that the matter is seized in WP 17446 of 2024. Next, if such an application is filed by petitioner, appropriate orders shall be passed forthwith after notifying the other contesting parties. If the appeal is restored on file, the second respondent shall proceed to decide the appeal on merits in accordance with law.
A time limit may be given, Your Honor.
Law, the appeal shall be decided and disposed of within a period of 3 months.
Sorry.
It's a writ of mandamus, my lord. The mutation was set aside by the second respondent. Later on, the fourth respondent Tahsildar passed the order to index the name of the grandfather of the petitioner's
What is
hearing.
that order at Annexure A dated so and so passed in?
It is a order passed by the deputy commissioner, my lord, where it was held that mutation number should be changed.
He has already directed.
Yes, my lord, it is already
Implement
directed.
this order.
Sorry, my lord. That, my lord, that is with respect to annexure H, my lord.
Annexure?
Because after the order passed by deputy commissioner in 2001, later on, one Ranganayakama filed an appeal before the third respondent herein, which came to be allowed. Against said appeal, again the petitioner number 1 to 4 herein filed an revision petition in 2021, my lord, which came to be allowed in part.
In part.
In part.
Where is that order?
It is at annexure H, my lord.
So now you are seeking implementation of that order.
Yes, my lord.
But in the prayer, what you have said? Wrongly you have said Annexure A.
Annexure A and application which is filed by petitioner number 6 in annexure.
No, but then you have to rely on the latest order, isn't it? Why have stated this earlier order, 2004 order?
Even in that order, it have been stated that mutation number should be changed.
Order, where is the latest order, 2023 order? Annexure H.
Annexure H, my lord.
Now, under H also there is a direction.
Yes, my lord.
ಆದೇಶ
Set aside the
ಜಮೀನು ಹಕ್ಕಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿತ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಹಕ್ಕು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಆದೇಶ ಈ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನು ನೋ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್.
My lord, they have specifically stated that order of the third respondent is set aside, my lord. So now the order passed by deputy commissioner annexure A will prevail. Because however the order passed by the
now the
third respondent
revision was by whom, madam? Second revision.
It is by petitioners, my lord. Petitioner number 1 to 4.
Now that is dismissed.
It is allowed in part, my lord.
No, wait. ಆ ಭಾಗಶಃ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಕುರಿತು ಆದೇಶ ರದ್ದುಪಡಿಸಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಜಮೀನು ಹಕ್ಕಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದರು ಸಕ್ಷಮ್ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಮೂಲಕ ಹಕ್ಕು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಆದೇಶಿಸಿದೆ.
Sir, even in that order, they have specifically stated that the order passed by the third.
So you have to challenge this order, madam. What's your right, madam?
I am.
And why you are running around courts, revenue courts since 2004? Your right is based on what?
Annexure A, my lord. Order passed at annexure.
No, your right is based on what?
Inheritance, my lord. To inheritance. Previously, this property belonged to a Narayana Sethi. Later on, it was the transfer.
Your revision is dismissed. What order you have challenged in Annexure H? And against whom? They are private parties. You have not included them here.
No, my lord. I am seeking for the.
I think now, having suffered an order at Annexure H, you want to fall back on that earlier order. Not permissible. You have to challenge this order now. Accordingly, this petition is filed seeking a mandamus against fourth respondent Tahsildar. Madam?
Yes, my lord.
It's mandamus against fourth respondent Tahsildar to consider petitioner's application at Annexure J and give effect to order passed by the Deputy Commissioner at Annexure A dated 16/1/2004. Next, Leonard SCGP has brought to the notice of this court there have been subsequent proceedings and petitioner's revision in revision 22 of 2021 assailing the order of Assistant Commissioner passed in R miscellaneous K 10/2017-18 dated 6/7/2018 is dismissed and petitioner is relegated to approach the civil court, which is evidence at Annexure H. Next, petitioner having suffered the order at the hands of the Deputy Commissioner at Annexure H now cannot be permitted to rely on the earlier order dated 16/1/2000 4, which is evidence at Annex A, where certain directions were issued by Deputy Commissioner. That order has lost its significance in view of the latest order passed by the Deputy Commissioner at Annex A, reserving liberty to petitioner to assail the order of the Deputy Commissioner passed at Annex A, captured petitions and disposed.
Much obliged.
Next, Ali Leonard.